This video is about the ventilation system working the best for the 6 printers that I have running all the time. 90% of my prints are PETG. I do run PLA for some of the fingerboard obstacles, but majority of stuff I print is in PETG. So what I needed to do is figure out a ventilation system, just because I don't want to be breathing that all the time, and I needed something that'd be simplistic and would work well. So what I ended up buying was 2.5-inch ducting hose, and I've connected that to the back of each of the printers. All of that funnels into a 6-inch exhaust fan, and that shoots it outside. So on the P1S, all I've done is I've added an exhaust system here, which is a model that's on MakerWorld. This is an 80mm diameter exhaust here, and I've made a down convert that goes from the 80mm down to the 2.5-inch or around 60mm, which I use for the ducting itself. The other point that you find that air escapes is through the poop chute. So this one here is completely enclosed. And what that will do is it'll sit on here and stop air escaping from that point. This is the converter that's going from the 80mm down to the 60. To give you an idea of how strong this suction is, this is actually the furthest point from the 6-inch exhaust. But as you can see, it's definitely pulling enough air through that and taking it outside. What I've done differently for the P2S, there's an original design that I found on MakerWorld with the poop container that will connect onto it. It works really well. The only thing that's different though is that you actually have this big exhaust system here that you can utilize. So what I ended up doing is I redesigned the additional cutout housing on that side to create suction running through this and then popping it out here. With the 6-inch exhaust, I'm running at the highest capacity possible for these 6 printers. There is obviously things I can do to go make it so they run more efficiently, but realistically, I probably will just end up buying a whole new system and redoing it all over again for the next printers. Then one other thing that I found that has been actually really useful for myself for this is an air quality meter. Highly recommend getting one of these. This definitely has made all the difference in me figuring out where everything sits. On top of that, I actually went and picked up an air purifier as well. That's been a really nice way to just check that the air I'm breathing is acceptable. Honestly, if you're running 1 or 2 printers, it's up to you. But once you go and get into the 5 to 6, it's definitely something that you should look into. So this video was based on a comment that I saw from my last video. So please leave a comment if you have something that you'd like to know more about.